Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Mogal and today's topic is constructors in Java. In Java, a constructor is a special type of method that is used to initialize an object. It is called automatically when an instance of instance of a class is created. The constructor sets initial values for object attributes and ensures proper object creation. Key features of constructors. First one, a constructor has the same name as class. A constructor must have the same name as the class in which it is declared. Second, no return type. A constructor does not have a return type, not even void. Third, automatic invocation. A constructor is called automatically when an object of the class is instantiated. Next, overloading support. Java allows multiple constructors with the same class, known as constructor overloading. Constructor cannot be final, static, or abstract. A constructor cannot be declared as final, static, or abstract because it is not inherited. Types of constructors in Java. Java provides different types of constructors. First one, default constructor or no argument constructor. Next, copy constructor. Default constructor, also known as a no argument constructor. It is a constructor that does not have any parameters. If no constructor is explicitly defined in a class, Java automatically provides a default constructor. Key points. The default constructor initializes variables with default values. Null for objects, 0 for numbers, and false for booleans. If no constructor is defined in a class, Java provides an implicit default constructor. In a class, if a class does not explicitly define a constructor, Java automatically provides a default constructor with no parameters. When to use a non-parameterized or default constructor? When we want to initialize objects with default values, then we use non-parameterized or default constructor. When an object does not require user input at time of creation, when implementing constructor overloading, and we want a basic constructor in addition to parameterized ones. Next, parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor accepts arguments to initialize an object with specific values. Parameterized constructor allows setting initial values at object creation. Multiple constructors can be defined with different parameter lists, that is constructor overloading. Copy constructor. Java does not provide a built-in copy constructor like C++, but we can create one manually. A copy constructor creates a new object by copying values from an existing object. Key points. A copy constructor allows creating a new object with the same values as an existing object. It is useful when passing objects as arguments. Next, constructor overloading. Java allows multiple constructors in a class, provided they have different parameter lists. Constructor overloading allows different ways to create objects using this keyword in constructor. The this keyword is used to refer to the current class instance. Key points. This is used to call another constructor in the same class. It helps reduce code duplication. Conclusion. Constructors in Java are crucial for initializing objects. They ensure objects are created with valid values and simplify object simplify object management. Java supports default, parameterized or non-parameterized and copy constructor along with constructor overloading. Understanding constructors is fundamental for writing efficient and well-structured Java programs. Thank you.